I've been playing soccer since I was 2 or 3. I played within the South Florida area, and then I was able to get a full soccer scholarship to Temple University. In between that, I also had the opportunity to represent my country on the Jamaican national team. Soccer's always been a part of my life, and it's definitely a part of my lifelong journey. I'm from Jamaica originally, so born and somewhat raised. In the time that I was born in and I came up in soccer, it was absolutely reserved very much for boys and men. That's really what soccer taught me. Knowing that I need to step into a space where it may have been intentionally created for boys and men, and making it a place that we as women can make our own too. Back in the early 90s, we didn't really have careers post-college for soccer. That really started my curiosity in regards to how can I take the experience that I have in soccer and playing on the world stage and bring that into a career. And that's what really Deloitte did for me, coming in and really recognizing that I was young, I was passionate, I was confident, and I just had a tenacity. And that is what is demonstrated through soccer. You have to. If you don't show up that way, people take advantage. Your opponents take advantage very quickly. So you have to show up with that level of confidence and knowing what your role is and what impact you can make. I think another big part of my role for Deloitte in general is I'm known for really creating very powerful teams. When you're a soccer player, there's always an assessment you're doing, not only for your opponent, but the 11 people that are showing up with you on the field. We all have a purpose in regards to how we get things done. I think it was very easy for me to adapt as a leader because it's just fundamentally how I was created as a soccer player. I do really believe when I came in as a campus recruit that Deloitte really did take a chance on me. I think the chance that really Deloitte took is let me find out more about Shauna and what she really brings. And I'm still here. 23 years later, I wouldn't be here if somebody in Deloitte didn't take the chance and say, you know what, we're gonna give her a shot.